Get ready to create some deliciously spooky treats with these creepy mini pizzas. Perfect for Halloween parties or any fun gathering, these customizable pizzas let everyone unleash their inner monster chef. Let's start with the crust ingredients. You'll need 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 envelope of pizza crust yeast, 1 1/2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, 1 1/3 cups of very warm water, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. For toppings, gather an assortment of colorful bell peppers, mushrooms, black olives, pepperoni slices, fresh herbs, and a pound of shredded white and yellow cheeses like mozzarella and cheddar. Feel free to add your own spooky favorites too. Now, let's make our pizza dough. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of flour with the yeast, sugar, and salt. Add the warm water and oil, mixing for about a minute until well blended. Gradually add more flour to form a soft, slightly sticky dough. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 4 minutes until smooth and elastic. Divide it into 8 portions and cover them. If you're using rapid rise yeast, let the dough rise for 10 minutes at this point. Next, shape each portion of dough into an 8-inch circle on a greased baking sheet, pinching the edges to form a rim. Bake the crusts for 6 to 7 minutes until just set and lightly browned on the bottom. Cool them on a wire rack. You can use the crusts immediately or freeze them for up to a month. When you're ready to create your creepy masterpieces, preheat the oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread pizza sauce on each crust and let your imagination run wild with toppings. Create spooky faces, creepy creatures, or eerie scenes. Bake for 6 to 8 minutes until the cheese is melted and lightly browned. Here's a helpful tip. If you don't have a thermometer, the water for the dough should feel very warm to the touch. When kneading, add just enough flour to keep the dough from sticking, and use a rolling motion with the heels of your hands. Serve these creepy mini pizzas at your next Halloween bash or movie night. Each serving packs about 434 calories, with 20 grams of fat, 43 grams of carbs, and 20 grams of protein. But the real treat is seeing what ghoulish designs you and your guests can come up with. Happy haunting and happy eating!